G'day everyone. What I'm doing is just pulling off these sheets. All the birds are getting the hurry up to get out. Get out, find another house. Yeah. I love it when a plan comes together. Yep. Woo. Nice. Look at that. Reese can take the toilet out because he's got to move the pipe. Just like that. And we'll remove that vanity. Right, I'll throw this rubbish out in the skip. Back to you soon. Guys, what I'm doing here now is I've put a saw cut through there. My bottom plate I'm trimming out for a in-wall cabinet. That height is 1150. That's the height of my cabinet. So I come down 35-40 mil, and then I go up off that plate there 700, which is there. Allow a bit from a top plate, 55 mil there. So I've got to cut that. There like that. My cabinet will be coming, that's the width of my vanity. I want my cabinet to come up in line with the vanity, so I'll be putting a stud up. See my level there? I'll be putting a stud up through there and one across, but that'll go in first, so I'm just putting a stud in there. And then I'll be putting, oh, I don't need to cut that one, that's cool, look at that. Ooh. So that's bang on. I'll be running my top plate through to there. We're home and hose. Beautiful. I'm just thinking, because this is I've got to look at that vanity again, because this time I want Reese to have the pipes exactly right for the vanity. The last one I did, he had a pipe coming out where the drawers were. Yes, it's worked, but I don't like it. I like the pipes coming out where the vanity is, not where the drawers are. That's my phone ringing, but they can they can message me. I haven't got time to answer the phone. So I'll zap those two studs. Got to get that out of the road somehow so I don't cut it. So if I push it there, cut that stud and then move them over. I was doing that a little bit freehand. I didn't, I couldn't see my blade. Oh, beauty. Hunky dory. Where's my hammer? That wire there, so what's that one for? I'll ask Sally, she'll know. Cool bananas. I always get in a little bit of a pickle when I'm doing a bathroom with when I'm doing a few jobs at once, but hey, you get that. Yeah. I'm just thinking, that's all. I'm just thinking, people. Just thinking. Tape. I want 2 pieces at 1320. My square is out at the van, so I'll use this as a square. Whooshka. I want 2 of those. I like it. Where is, I have an attachment in here in my little box of tricks. Oh, I like the smell of it. Nice fresh cut timber, eh? Where can I put that so I don't lose it? Up there. Tip a few of those out. Oh, beautiful. Ow, 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 ow! Like a bloody kid. Jesus. Some people might be saying, oh, where's his nail gun? Don't need one. For the amount of times I use a nail gun, unnecessary. unnecessary to spend $1,000 or $1,200 on a nail gun when I hardly use it. Like I'll be doing these architraves with a hammer and nails, you know, 2 architraves, God. They don't take long to put up. And spending money on a nail gun, no. DIYs. DIYs, you might be a toolie and love all your gear. That's cool. And you might have your own nail gun, but a lot don't. And this Reno is for DIYers. Surprising how many professionals tune in and watch, which is cool. Where's my hammer gone? Oh! Jesus, if it had teeth, it'd bite me. Just bend them out of the way. Now, did I have some more screws, or I'll go and find my other screws.